Okay, so check this out right over here. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and install on these wireless rechargeable wall sconce lights that we're going to be doing a unboxing review and install on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and install, we are going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so we got the package unboxed and we're going to show you guys more in depth about it. So let's go open everything up. So the first thing first, this is no drilling required, but I do believe it is optional. If you want, you can also drill it as well, but it comes with some adhesives right over here. So what this does right over here is you can stick it onto your wall, and it comes with the adhesive right over here, and then it'll stick just like that. It's very easy installation. If you want, you could choose it that way. And then right over here, we get our remote control that it comes with right over here. And then it comes with the bracket as well too, to clamp it on, which we are going to show you guys later on more in depth about it. And then right over here, it comes with the screw. So you could also, it's your option as well. If you want, you could use a screw method as well. And it is, completely up to your choice and preference on what to choose. But I like the adhesive version and I might try that. It comes with a rechargeable USB-C charger as well too. And it does have a battery lifespan up to 4 to 5 hours. So depending on the longevity on how long you use it, it just depends on that. And the sconce lights itself is right over here that you can see. So we're going to show you guys more in depth. So let's open it up, and there you have it. You could see how beautiful these wall sconce lights look like. You could see if I turn it on, the button right over here, there's a button, you just tap it right here, and there you go. You can see how bright it is. We're going to take the other one out and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so this is everything that you get out of the package. So you can see how these lights are on, and all you have to do is there's a sensor located right over here that you just have to press. That you can also change the color. So you can have this color, then you can have this, you can have the cool white, then there's a natural white, and then right over here, a warm white that you can see here. Different color effects. You just press the button right over here that's located here. And from there, the installation, when it comes to that, it comes with the adhesive, so no drilling required. So it comes with this, that it's an adhesive, which I'm about to show you guys more in depth about it. So this adhesive sticks onto the backing of the plates, which is right over here where you could do that. But also it comes with some drills as well too. So it's optional, it's your preference and choice. If you are wanting to do no drilling, then you just use this right over here, which is really easy. It'll just stick in under, in 5-10 seconds, you'll just have it on. Or you could do this method where you just have to drill it on, which it comes with that. And then it comes with the remote control as well too, that you just turn it off and on to go, play with the settings and all that stuff. So it comes with that, which I'll show you guys towards the end when I have it installed. And it comes with the rechargeable USB-C. So if you're wondering how you charge it, well, you use the rechargeable USB-C to charge it up, and it does have up to 20 hours of battery lifespan. And then if you're wanting to know how long it takes to charge it up, it's up to like 4 to 5 hours for charging. So it has plenty of battery life to use it for, throughout the entire day. Okay, so to install it, all you have to do is just place the bracket just like this. And then from there, you take the drill right over here, and then you just drill the hole. Although it says no drilling required, which is completely optional too. You could have two modes, either the 3M adhesive that comes with, or you can have it permanent install, with which that I'm doing right over here is the drill method. And then you take the drill right over here. So I did one hole here, this one right over here. You just carefully align it just like that and start drilling holes. And just like that, we have the drills on. Now all I have to do is just put those screws on, and then you should be done to have the bracket installed. Okay, so this is the finished results of the wall sconce lights that you can see here. And one thing I love about this product is that it comes with the remote control that you can also control it through your entire home. So let's say, for example, if I'm sitting on my couch or anywhere pretty much in the home, you press it off like that, it closes just like that. And what I love about it is that no matter how far you are, they always turn on. And then just like that, and then you could change the color temperature. So it comes with 3 different color temperatures. One is a natural white, a cool white, and then a warm white color. So let's go to warm white, you can see here. Then change it up back to the cool white color. So let's go to that, it's right here. And then the natural white is right over here that you can see. This one is the matte color. And then it comes with also a sensor that's located right over here. So you can manually also turn it off and on and change the colors just like that. So that's one cool thing. It's like a sensor you just place like that, your finger, and then it just turns on like that. One thing to also keep in mind is that when it comes time to charge it up, you just pull it out just like that. It comes with a Type-C charger included, where the sensor is located that you can see right over here. There is a charger that you just charge it up right here, and then it just charges just like that. And overall, I would definitely recommend these wall sconce lights because of the fact that it changed the entire appearance to my home. They're really easy to install, and it has up to 20 hours of battery life. And then when it comes time to charge it up, it's to 4 to 5 hours. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it comes with a remote control. You can also change the colors with the remote, just like that. You can see here. And then turn it off just like that, turn it back on, change the colors just like that. And then also comes with the timers as well too. So like a night mode, you can have it on for 30 minutes, you can have it for 1 hour. It's up to your preference. So you just press this and then it will just be on for like 2 hours. For 30 minutes, you can have it like that. It will flash to let you know. 1 hour, and just like that, it will just be on for 1 hour and then it will automatically just turn off like that. And then to change the colors, like I showed you guys, you could dim it down as well too. Let me turn off the lights, show you guys more in depth about it. So let me close the lights up to my home and you can see how it changes the entire appearance of my home. So we're gonna go all the way bright, change the colors back to here. And just like that, the natural white color, then we have the cool white, then the warm white right over here. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it changed the entire appearance of my home. Very easy to install. It comes with the rechargeable USB-C. And yeah, I would definitely recommend it. It comes with also the, like I told you guys before, the sensor as well too. So you just place your finger here and just change the colors just like that. So yeah, if you are looking for something to change the entire appearance to your living room, your bedroom, or anywhere around your home, then this wall sconce lights right over here is probably one of the best ones to get. And I would definitely recommend this product.